dead. That's not the black smoke you want to see. May look like a nice truck, but it's a fucking Ford. What's wrong with your truck, Thomas?
Injectors.
Fucking piece of shit, ain't it?
She'll get there. Or the starter will go out, one of the two.
Well, I guess we could always chain drag it with a Dodge.
Please.
It may not be a fucking Cummins, but it's still a Dodge. At least it runs. It's clean.
Told you it'd take about 5-10 minutes to get her started.
I just cycled the glow plugs 3 or 4 times. She may fire.
Yeah, I've been cycling them a couple times each.
I got a cure for that. You need a beer?
No, not yet.
It's only 8:30.
It ain't even that, it's 8:03.
Alright, 8:03. Not 8:30, but 8:03. Is some bitch gonna run or not?
Oh, she'll start.
Alright, let's see it. Oh. You almost had it.
Almost.
Need some ether?
No.
Oh. There it is. Come on, baby.
Got her like half a bottle.
I think we got it. What do you think?
I hope so.
All right, let's go fix this piece of shit.